Welcome guys to episode 4 in my shed build series. Today we're going to be installing the siding and the roofing. So join me as we race to get this thing dried in before the next big storm hits us. So I just wanted to give you an update on where we are. I didn't get much filming done yesterday because we were in a rush to beat a rainstorm, and it's looking like we're going to be in another rush today. But I wanted to give you an update. So we put up some of the siding. Just wanted to get things stable before climbing up on the roof and putting on some of the roof sheets. So I'll take you around and show you where we are. So this is our roof sheeting. We got one side completely on, and then we just got to finish up this other side and then get some underlayment and shingles on. So here you can get a good picture of the overall progress. I did order a window, so we got the rough opening already set up. I just need to put a bottom 2x4 cross piece there. Everything else is ready, and we'll see how far we get today. So the funnest part about sheeting a roof is the no hands balancing act that I have to do when I heft up the big sheets of OSB up the ladder. So we managed to get all the sheeting on the roof, all the drip edge on, and we got all the underlayment felt on the roof. And we put some more siding up, keep the rain from getting in, and I'm hoping this will be dry enough for now until we get a chance to put shingles on. So I wanted to show you what we're doing for the siding. So the siding's 8 feet tall, and what I did was measure down from the top of the top plate 8 feet, and then added a 1/2 inch because I wanted to have room for the soffit to sit on top. So I measured down, just put in these temporary screws at the bottom where that mark is, so that we could set the sheeting on that as we're lining it up and nailing it in, and that helps a lot. We finished framing up the window rough opening so that we'd be able to install the siding to the front of the shed. think it's easier to install the full sheets of siding and just cover up the window opening instead of trying to measure and cut out the window before you hang the siding. And then I can just cut out the opening with the Sawzall once it's up there. This is also a good time to cut out the bottom plate from the door opening while I have the Sawzall out. Morning guys, this morning I'm going to be working on the gable ends here, putting some siding up. I need to put some studs in there for nailers, and then we can put that siding up in the gable ends. In order for the siding to fit flat against the truss, I had to remove the outer truss gussets. This won't really affect the strength of the truss at all because the siding itself will take the place of the gussets. So I just wanted to show you how to get the angle at the top of these nailers in the gable. So if you remember back a ways, we were building the trusses. We had to cut off a couple feet from each 2x4 for the roof side, and those scrap pieces are already perfectly cut angle wise. So there's the angle that fits perfect up against those trusses. So I'm just using those scraps. and cutting those down to length, and they fit right up in there. Before you start installing your shingles, you should run a row of what's called the starter shingle around all the edges. And then you can start installing the shingles from the bottom, work your way up. For the shingle I'm using, you start a row with a full shingle, and then the first shingle on the second row is cut 6 inches shorter. Then each row moving up the roof, you do the same thing. You cut each starter shingle 6 inches shorter than the previous row. You do this until you get up to the 7th row, and then you start the process all over again. Of course, different shingles have their own process, which is usually written on the packaging, so be sure to check your instructions for your specific shingle. Okay, we're starting on the other side of the roof this morning. Hopefully we'll get this done today here in a few hours and wrap it up. It's kind of cold out. Okay, that'll wrap up today's video. In the next episode, we'll be installing some trim, the soffit, fascia, building and installing the door, and putting in the window. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.